We're about to celebrate New Year. Like, look at the time. It's 11:49. Oh my gosh. I am so happy to celebrate with you
Guys, today we're playing this game.
because
Oh my gosh. So,
right?
yes. Why do you keep calling me? I'm trying to play games!
So, yeah, it's almost there. Mama, hapit na. 10 minutes left, guys. Like, gosh. Thank you guys for all of the support. Like, thank you for all of your support in this YouTube channel. And I appreciated that you subbed. Like, I'm helping my parents right now. Now, this is gonna be a crazy day. By the end of the day, yeah. Let's just see what's in there in 2026 because we do not know yet. But yeah, all of my videos, I really wish I can go back in time. So I'm just watching my own videos. Yay! Oh my gosh. Guys, yet again, thank you for your support in this YouTube channel. You really helped me out very much. Like, thank you. Thank you, guys. Like, thank you for this. Like, I've been helping. Yeah. Yeah. I'm real happy. What the heck is that, man?
Di ako naniniwala nung una, pero
Advertisement. For now, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to end this video when we hit 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Yes, 12 a.m. So I'm just going to play Roblox right now. Sorry, I'm just speaking my language. Hope you don't mind. Oh my god. Ma, 6 minutes na lang. Oh, yes. I'm going to end this video when we hit this timer right over here. This time to 11 to 12 a.m. So a lot of my friends are not playing some brain rot games anymore cause boy, it's almost. What the heck is my classmate doing? He ain't tough, brother. He ain't tough. No. Man ain't tough, man. Bro ain't tough. Sorry about that. I'm just going to draw my print. Take the stone number, boy. Oh my OML. Guys, like, I have not. Yo, there's some fireworks right now. I can't show it right now. I can't show it, but there's. Yo, wait. Wow! Wow!
Oh yeah, baby!
Boy. Hey, yo, boy. Hi, man. Can't say. I can't say, man. This dangerous, man. I can't say no. Brother, I'm too short, man. I'm too short, man. Wow. Come on, brother. There's a literal firework right there, and I can't see because of my laundries. Please move. I can't see. Guys, 3 minutes left. 11:57. Guys, yo, I can't see anything. Help me. I can't show it right now because I have a bad feeling it will fall. No, fall. Come on. Huh? The screen record. Yo. So, I can go to camera if y'all want. I'm going to camera. Guys, right here. Look, guys. Hey. Guys. It's almost. Guys, it's almost there. Yo. We're almost there, guys. Nag-scroll ka lagi ko ba? Hindi ka kapaminaw. Need ba the Wi-Fi ang screen record? No! Sure, right? Go, ikado as in. Slow, I heard na siya. Guys. Ma! 58 naman. Guys, it's almost time! Look, it's crazy! Look at the fireworks! I know you can't see it, but I know you guys can't see it, but I know you can't see. Huh?
Anong ka? Saka?
Okay, guys.
Tubuto na ako.
Huh?
Tubuto na.
Guys, they're blowing. Ting, screen record ting. On saan pa minuna ko Oh, lagi!
Wi-Fi?
Oh!
Screen record?
Oh! Bugoki kas in.
Aka ni man lagi o screen record, dili na magkuon, wifi.
Okay, lahi man dyan ang
Connect na.
Lahi na tayo.
Easy na siya.
Gani, dili mo na mag-wifi screen record.
Di man!
Kabaluman ka. Kabaluman ka nga, dito sa wifi.
Wala kay nga naman ko. You guys. See that? You guys. Can guys? 1 minute left! Yes! Boy!
Wala pa.
Move! Wow! Ah! Wala! January na! Yes! Baby! Okay guys, I'm going to end it right here. Peace!